Hello my fellow mermaids and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a swatch and review for you of both Whatsupnails and Whatsupbeauty products. Now, I say both because Whatsupnails is already a brand that, in case you didn't know about, they have pretty much anything you want and need to do nail art. They have like of their own brand nail files, they have nail brushes, stamping polishes, stamping plates, a ton of things, and they are stockist of so many brands. So if you want something, you should check the brand out. I'm gonna leave their link in the description below. And I say Whatsupbeauty because they just launched their Whatsupbeauty brand, and what they did was an eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow brushes, and nail polishes, regular nail polishes, not stamping polishes, based on the eyeshadow palette, which I think it's amazing. The collection, if I'm not mistaken, is the Monsoon Collection. So they the palette has 12 shades. I'm gonna put some pictures here so you can see it. And what they did was take 6 of those colors and make them into nail polishes, so they match the eyeshadow, which, as I said before, it's amazing. I really like that concept. Now, I'm going to show you from Whatsupnails their nail art starter kit, which is, nail care starter kit. This one was supposed to get to me in February when it was launched, but I think it got lost in the mail because I never got it, so they sent it again. It's this one right here. As you can see, it says here Whatsupnails and nail care starter kit, and you get a cuticle oil, cuticle remover, cuticle pusher, and a nail file. So you have pretty much whatever you need for a DIY manicure in your house right here. I have been using the Whatsupnails crystal file they have like in store. It's this one, let me find it. This one, it's the Whatsupnails brand here. I have been using it for years. I have not had to change it. I just wipe it up with rubbing alcohol to keep it clean. But as you can see, it's pretty much brand new. So I was really excited to try their nail care kit because I have already tried their nail file, so I was pretty sure I was going to love the other products they have, and it's true, I love them. So once you get the nail care kit, this is how it arrives to you. You can also get them like each product separate, but I got the whole set. It's like this. It opens up and you have the nail file, the cuticle pusher, the cuticle remover, and the cuticle oil here. Yes, and both the cuticle remover and the cuticle pusher are like brush, like the bristles are a brush. It's not a doe foot applicator. Then and you just twist it. The cuticle pusher, cuticle pusher, it's a metal one, and I actually use this as well. I have the silicone latex ones, but I really like using this one way more. So on one end it's a bit wider, and on the other end it's a bit like narrower. So I think it's really good in terms of size, weight, and everything. I really like it. The box gets like sealed every time I close it. And the nail file comes like this. It's like perfect for travel, so like that. It's smaller than the regular nail files they carry, but I think, as I said, it's perfect for traveling. And yeah, I really like the practicity of this, like having all of them together like this. And as I said before, you can also purchase them individually if you don't want the whole kit. And now I'm going to tell you about Whatsupbeauty. When you get the polishes, it does says Whatsupnails in the box, but the brand is Whatsupbeauty. per se it's not Whatsupnails. The same brand, different branches, I believe. So this is how the boxes arrive to you. As you can see, it's like a little cactus. You can see the polish here. It's like matte and glossy at the same time. Here you have all the ingredients. And no, here you have the formula, which is 12-free, vegan and cruelty-free. And these are the ingredients, and then here it's like their address and social media and everything. They are located in Arizona, so I am pretty sure the reason behind the Desert Monsoon name of the collection, it's because of the weather and the climate there. I'm not sure, I'm just inferring something. So yeah, I think so. And once you open the box, you get them like this. They look just like their stamping polishes. Let me get one for you so you can see. So this is one of their stamping polishes, for example. This is their nail polish. It's pretty much the same thing, but one of them stamps, one of them don't. So as I said before, I have the nail care kit and 6 shades to share with you, so let's get into the swatches. Let's begin with the nail care kit. And I'm using the nail file first, since that's how I begin my nail care routine. As you can see, it's a crystal file, and all I do is file my nails straight so I can keep my square shape. Since it's a crystal file, I can file back and forth or just to one side without damaging my nail. After I'm done filing, I'm taking the Cuticle Remover, which as you can see here, it's a twist-up pen, and I just went ahead and twisted until I got some product out. I went ahead and put a generous amount on the nail and let it sit for about 2 minutes before removing the cuticle. And for that, I'm using the Cuticle Pusher, which has 2 different sizes. And I found the skinnier one took more cuticle than the other one. So I went ahead and used it, and you can already see the cuticle gets pushed perfectly with the combination of the Cuticle Remover and Pusher. After I'm done doing that, I went ahead and rinsed my hands with soap and warm water to get rid of any excess product I had. And I finished the manicure with cuticle oil. This also comes in a twist-up pen like the remover, and you just twist it up to get product out, and I put it all over the nail and also underneath so the product can be absorbed. And after the nail care routine is done, this is what my nails look like, all done and ready to get polish on them. Now let me show you the 6 polishes in the Desert Monsoon collection. Joshua Tree is a light brown cream nail polish. Both the creams in this collection had amazing coverage, pretty much one coaters, and the formula was smooth and easy to work with. I haven't tried using them for stamping, but something tells me they could totally double as stamping polishes. Here's 2 coats of Joshua Tree with a glossy top coat. Succulent is a purple crelly with pink to purple iridescent duochrome flakies and holographic flakies. This polish starts up a bit sheer as you can see, but I was really surprised to see it reach full opacity in just 2 coats. It has such a delicate and dainty shade that if you're trying to branch out, this one could totally be an option for you. Perfect formula and application just like the last one. Here's 2 coats of Succulent with a glossy top coat. Downpour is a blue nail polish with blue chrome shimmer and an iridescent blue to purple duochrome shimmer. This one has a very similar formula to Succulent, and it was also completely opaque in just 2 coats. I'm really loving the contrasting shimmer against this dark base, and I also think this one will look like velvet if you applied a matte top coat over it. Here's 2 coats of Downpour with a glossy top coat. Tempest is a mauve cream polish. Like I said with Joshua Tree, this is basically a one-coater, but of course I applied 2 coats so I could show you its full potential. This shade is just beautiful, the formula is perfect and smooth, and I can see a ton of people loving this as a very neutral shade with a little extra touch of something. Here's 2 coats of Tempest with a glossy top coat. Desert Rose is a light pink crelly with gold shimmer. This is the most neutral shade in the collection, but the shimmer makes it look like such an elegant shade. This one also matches my skin tone, but it does look really pretty because of the shimmer in it. No running, pulling or staining with this one either. Here's 2 coats of Desert Rose with a glossy top coat. Sun is a gold chrome shimmer nail polish with iridescent gold to green duochrome shimmer. Gold polishes are so tricky to create, but this one has the perfect tone, not too yellow or green, and once again the shimmer makes it look even more stunning, and it also looks like it glows from within. Here's 2 coats of Sun with a glossy top coat. And here's a look of all 6 shades of Whatsupbeauty Desert Monsoon Collection, which is available now on their site. So as you saw in the video, the nail care kit, it's amazing. I really like the file, the Cuticle Pusher, the Cuticle Remover, the Cuticle Oil. I love them all. I do a manicure on both my hands once a week. I maybe have to file these nails maybe twice sometimes because they grow pretty quickly in my opinion, so I don't like having them too long. Actually, I have them pretty long right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and file them again. But yeah, I really recommend the products. I think they are amazing, and as far as the polishes, I was blown away by them. All of them were 2 coaters. As I said before, the gold one, Sun, maybe a 3-coater for you, but honestly I saw full opacity on me on 2 coats, and as I said, I have longer nails right now, so if you have shorter nails than me, I think 2 coats is more than enough for you. I mean, the formula was amazing, the colors are amazing. I don't have the eyeshadow palette in hand, but I have seen people do a swatch review of both the palette and the swatches and the polishes, sorry, at the same time, and they match perfectly. So I really think it's a very cool concept that they both have, well, that you have the option of matching your nails and your eyes, your eyeshadow at the same time. I really like that. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Have you already tried the nail care kit? Because as I said, this one launched in February of this year, but I got it really late in the game, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people have already tried it. So let me know in the comments below if you have and if you like it, and let me know in the comments below also which one was your favorite from the Desert Monsoon Collection polishes. If I had to pick favorites, I think I would pick Tempest. I think I would pick, let me see, Tempest, no, Desert Sun, Desert Rose, and see, these are not colors that I normally pick. I would pick Joshua Tree, Tempest, and Desert Rose, which is the brown one, the mauve pink one, and the light pink. I just really like the colors of them. They look really neutral. I like the undertones of them, so the formula was amazing, as I said. So yeah, those will be my favorites, but they are all stunning. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out of any of my upcoming videos. As always, I will leave my Instagram page and all my other social media handles in the description below. And until next time, have a bubbly day!